Alright, what's up? This is going to be a quick unboxing of this Maxx Digital Automatic Alert Radio, weather radio. I purchased at Walmart today. It was pretty cheap. I think it was I got it on sale for about maybe around $16, I think, if I remember right. So I'm going to take a look at the box here. Emergency information. Uses the same technology. Bilingual display, dual power, and of course runs on battery power. Now I know nothing about this radio. It was kind of like an impulse purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, see what we have here. Going to use my car keys. Right. My house key. Oh, that was nice. I dropped it. Alright, let's come down here. Okay. Pardon me, I'm using one hand. And whoop, that's not good. There we go, press that button by accident. Here we have our user guide here. We'll take a look at that later. And there we are. Here's the radio. Let's go ahead. We're going to be added to my collection here. I also had another unboxing video I did a few days ago, but it somehow got erased from my phone. It was of my Uniden. It was my BCD 536 HP scanner. It was very top of the line. I recommend it. I think I might do kind of like a review video of it later, just so I can have something. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to give me 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. Whoop. There's my scanner right there. Alright, we are all plugged in here, so let's go ahead and just take a look here. It says language for the setup. And select English, select county. And go ahead and leave that. I can't really see it. At any for now. Time. Right now, I believe it is 7:58 p.m. Channel.
6, Ardmore, sunny, 93, southeast at 5, Gainesville, sunny. 38%, wind calm, pressure 29.81 inches and falling, Dallas Northfield. North Meacham, mostly sunny, 91, southeast at 8.
Alright, we are all set up here.
Sunny, 93.
I just realized I forgot to include a alert test here. So, for my Maxx Digital weather radio, here's me alert test.